Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Real World English, where we help you speak English with confidence. I'm Ben.
Hi, Ben. Hello, everyone. It's so good to be here with you all. How are you today, Ben?
I'm feeling great, Chloe, thank you. I had a very relaxing evening last night. I stayed home, made some popcorn, and watched a fantastic movie. It was perfect.
Oh, that sounds like a wonderful evening. I love doing that. Well, it sounds like you've perfectly introduced our topic for today.
Really? Are we talking about movies and TV shows? That's awesome. This is one of my favorite topics.
We certainly are. We're diving into the world of movies and TV shows. But before we roll out the main feature, we have a very quick message for all of our wonderful listeners.
That's right. If you are enjoying these conversations and finding them helpful for your English learning, please take just a second to click the subscribe button. It is the best way to support our channel, and it ensures you'll never miss a new episode.
And please give this video a like if you enjoy our topic today. Your support means so much to us. Okay, Ben, let's talk entertainment.
Let's do it. So, Chloe, to start us off, are you more of a movie person or a TV show person? Do you prefer a 2-hour story or a long series?
That's a tough choice. I think if I have to pick, I'm probably more of a TV show person these days. I love getting really invested in a story and its characters over many episodes and seasons. It feels like you get to live with them for a while.
I completely understand that. There's a special feeling of commitment and immersion with a great TV series.
What about you, Ben? What's your preference? What's your binge-watching style?
I am definitely a movie person. I love the experience of a single, complete story from beginning to end. And I really love going to the cinema, seeing a movie on the big screen with surround sound. It's a very different experience from watching at home.
Going to the cinema is definitely a special event. The huge screen, the dark room, the smell of popcorn. It's very immersive. But it's also quite expensive now.
It is. I don't go as often as I used to. So, let's talk about genres. What kind of movies or TV shows do you usually enjoy? What's your go-to genre?
My go-to genre is definitely romantic comedies. I love a good laugh and a happy ending. Something light and fun, perfect for relaxing after a long day. I also enjoy dramas, if they have a really strong story and interesting characters.
Romantic comedies are always a good choice for a feel-good evening. What about genres you don't like? Is there anything you avoid?
Oh, absolutely. I cannot stand horror movies. I get too scared and then I can't sleep for days. So, no scary movies for me. Thank you very much. What about you, Ben? What are your favorite genres?
My favorite genres are action movies and science fiction. I love big explosions, exciting chases, and incredible special effects. And with science fiction, I love thinking about new technologies, different worlds, and what the future might be like.
So you like big blockbusters and things that make you think. Do you also avoid any genres?
Yes, I usually avoid reality TV shows. I just don't find them very interesting. I prefer stories that are completely made up, where I can really escape reality.
That's fair. I sometimes watch reality TV as a guilty pleasure, but I wouldn't call it my favorite. So, let's talk about a specific recommendation. What is one movie or TV show you would recommend to absolutely everyone, regardless of their usual taste?
Oh, that's a tough one to pick just one. But I think I would have to recommend The Shawshank Redemption as a movie. It's an older movie from the 90s, but it has such a powerful story about hope and friendship. It's just beautifully made.
Oh, The Shawshank Redemption is a classic for a reason. It's truly a fantastic film. What about a TV show recommendation, if you had to pick one?
For a TV show, I would recommend The Crown. It's a historical drama about the British royal family. The acting is incredible, the costumes are amazing, and you learn a lot about history. It's very well produced.
I love The Crown. It's so good. I'm completely hooked. Okay, my turn for recommendations. For a movie, I would recommend La La Land. It's a musical about two artists trying to achieve their dreams in Los Angeles. The music is wonderful, the colors are beautiful, and it's very romantic.
La La Land is a very charming movie. The songs are so catchy. What about a TV show you'd recommend to everyone?
For a TV show, I would recommend Ted Lasso. It's a comedy about an American football coach who moves to England to manage a soccer team. It's incredibly funny, but it's also very heartwarming and positive. It always makes me feel good.
Ted Lasso is a gem. Everyone needs a bit of Ted Lasso in their life. It's so positive. So let's talk about actors. Do you have a favorite actor or actress? Someone whose movies or shows you always try to watch?
That's a good question. I think I would say Meryl Streep. She is just incredible. She can play any role, from a comedy to a serious drama, and she is always so believable. She transforms into her characters.
Meryl Streep is an absolute legend. Her talent is undeniable. For me, I'm a big fan of Tom Hanks. He always chooses such interesting roles, and he brings so much warmth and honesty to every character he plays. He's just a truly great storyteller.
Tom Hanks is another amazing choice. He makes you feel so connected to his characters. Okay, last question for you. Do you prefer watching movies and TV shows with subtitles or without? And in what language?
That's actually a very relevant question for our listeners. When I watch a movie in English, I usually watch it without subtitles. Unless the actors have very strong accents, then sometimes I put them on. But if I'm watching a foreign film, say a French movie, I always use English subtitles.
Yes. For language learners, subtitles are an amazing tool. When I'm watching English shows, I sometimes use English subtitles to help me catch every word. If I'm watching something in a completely different language, I use English subtitles. It really helps you learn.
Well, this has been a really entertaining conversation, Chloe. Let's do a quick recap for our listeners. We started by discussing if we are more movie people or TV show people.
Then we talked about our favorite genres. I love romantic comedies and dramas, and Ben likes action and science fiction. We also mentioned genres we avoid, like horror for me and reality TV for Ben.
We gave some recommendations for movies and TV shows like The Shawshank Redemption and The Crown and La La Land and Ted Lasso.
And finally, we talked about our favorite actors, Meryl Streep and Tom Hanks, and our preferences for watching with or without subtitles, which is so useful for English learners.
It really is. This was a super fun chat, Chloe. Now I want to go watch a movie.
Me too. A huge thank you to everyone who listened to us today. We hope you enjoyed our conversation about movies and TV shows.
And now, our question for you. What is your favorite movie or TV show, and why do you love it?
Please leave a comment below and tell us all about your favorite entertainment. We would absolutely love to read your recommendations.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Real World English and give this episode a like if you love movies and TV shows.
That's right. Well, thank you again for being here, everyone. Goodbye for now, Ben.
Goodbye, Chloe, and goodbye, everyone. Enjoy your next movie or TV show. See you next time.